a gun show. Here, let me see a rope. Let me see a rope. Show Isha the gun show. Show her.
You gotta be still and do it. Do it again.
Go to the gun show.
Give me a tower.
Say, knuckle sandwich.
I'll give you a knuckle sandwich.
Show her health. Is that what you do when you're naked? Is that wet? Did you just pee there? Landon, did you pee on the carpet? Oh, you did? Okay.